I'm going to pay in front of the lawyer with the statement from the lawyer that notarized it, and the payment I'm going to because it is complete 85K. So I need to know the papers in front of the lawyer. I want that in front of the lawyer, not a barangay captain, because they said that it's okay to pay in front of the barangay captain. But I don't want in front of the barangay captain, because barangay captain cannot fix if there is trouble. They just advise, they just like that, but it cannot be fixed. But if it is in lawyer, the document is the proof of what's happening. Paying, right? But I didn't say that going to barangay is not good, okay? But for me, because I have many things experience about that in regards of the land on this house. So I know how they work. I know how barangay works, so but it to make more solid documents, it should be notarized, because the barangay also will tell you where is your document, is it notarized? See, so to make it a conclusion, better to pay in front of the lawyer, or have a notarized agreement, and then in front of the barangay captain. So I need to have that agreement or notarized agreement from the lawyer. So we were going to do that tomorrow, because tomorrow they will coming here in my island from their island. So I'm going to go to the lawyer. We going to the lawyer, and then let's see what the lawyer's advice. If we can pay in front of the lawyer, or the lawyer will